Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channel here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate night light on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course you just have to open the settings apps. Now in the settings, go to the display options. And at this display page, you just have to scroll it down again until you'll find here the night light. To activate, you just have to tap on the button beside it. And yeah, it will be look like this. The blue light for the screen, it will be removed to this yellow screen here guys. And also we can set it. I'm gonna tap on it. We can set for the intensity for the yellow screen like this. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.